Experiencing auto start recording problems with your Viofo A119 V3 dashcam? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, but it's often due to a few common culprits: power supply problems, firmware bugs, or incorrect settings. This video will guide you through the troubleshooting steps to get your A19 V3 recording automatically as it should. Let's take a closer look at the Viofo A119 V3 dashcam itself. Common issues include firmware bugs and incorrect settings, which can prevent auto start. The Viofo A119 V3 is designed to automatically start recording when it detects your car's ignition. It uses voltage sensors and an accelerometer to sense when the car turns on. To work correctly, it needs a stable 12 to 14 volts power supply. Issues arise when there are voltage drops or the camera isn't configured correctly. Think of it like this. The camera is waiting for the go signal from the ignition, and if that signal is weak or missing, it won't start recording. Firmware is the operating system of your dashcam. Bugs in the firmware can prevent the A119 V3 from properly interpreting power signals, leading to auto start failures. Viofo has released updates to address these issues. The latest stable firmware, version 3.1.8, released in January 2026, includes bug fixes for erratic power detection. Keeping your firmware updated is crucial for optimal performance. Begin by checking your current firmware version on the Viofo A119 V3. Navigate to the Settings menu on the camera, typically found under System or About. Note down the version number displayed. Then, visit Viofo's official website and locate the firmware download section for the A119 V3 model. Compare your current version with the latest one listed to see if an update is available. If a newer firmware version is available, download it directly from Viofo's official website to ensure authenticity. Connect your Viofo A119 V3 to your computer using the included USB cable. Run the firmware update tool or follow the step-by-step guide provided on the website, which may involve copying files to the camera's memory card or using a dedicated update application. Allow the process to complete without interruption. Once the firmware update is complete, perform a hard reset on your camera. This clears any lingering settings conflicts that could prevent auto start. Locate the small reset button, usually found on the side or bottom of the device. Use a paper clip or similar tool to press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds. The camera will restart, and you should see the indicator light cycle. This step often resolves the auto start issue for many users. The second step in troubleshooting your A119 V3's auto start issues is to check the power supply. The camera requires a stable and constant power source to function properly. Avoid using cigarette lighter sockets for power, as they can cause voltage drops that prevent the camera from starting automatically. Instead, ensure your dashcam is directly connected to the vehicle's fuse box for reliable power delivery. Use a multimeter to verify you're getting a consistent 12-volt power supply from your connection. If you're using a hardwiring kit, double-check all connections and ensure they're secure. A faulty hardwiring kit is one of the most common causes of auto start problems in dash cameras. For the third troubleshooting step, focus on the configuration settings of the Viofo A119 V3. You can access these settings either directly on the device or through the Viofo mobile app. To access settings on the device itself, power on the dashcam and use the on-screen buttons to navigate to the Settings menu. The menu typically displays options like resolution and other configurations. You can also access the settings through the Viofo mobile app. Connect your smartphone to the camera via Wi-Fi, open the app, and navigate to the Settings section. The app provides a user-friendly interface for adjustments. Once in the settings, make sure the Auto Start Recording option is enabled. This allows the camera to begin recording automatically when the vehicle starts. Next, adjust the ignition sensing sensitivity. If set too low, the camera might not detect the ignition signal and fail to start recording. If set too high, it could trigger recording from unrelated voltage fluctuations. Finally, calibrate the accelerometer, also known as the G sensor, to avoid false starts caused by vehicle vibrations or bumps. This ensures the camera only records when appropriate. Let's look at a real-world example. A user reported auto start failures after a car battery replacement. Updating the firmware fixed it by recalibrating voltage thresholds. If issues persist, consider installing a capacitor to stabilize voltage, especially if you suspect power fluctuations. For EV owners, ensure you have the latest firmware that supports EV profiles due to non-standard ignition signals. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the auto start issue persists, it might be time to seek professional help. A qualified car audio installer can diagnose and fix any underlying electrical problems in your vehicle. Remember to always back up your footage before performing any updates or troubleshooting steps. With these tips, you'll hopefully have your Viofo A119 V3 recording automatically in no time.